Hi, I'm Jenna.
Hi,
Nice
Jenna.
to meet you. Thank you for coming. I actually use your products. I have a bunch of your candles. I'm actually wearing the lipstick right now. My question for you is, where do you see your product going in the future? What kind of new products are you looking ahead in creating?
Well, I mean, there's, we sort of, the product development process goes on. I mean, we're right now finalizing sort of the direction for 2015. I mean, things are sort of constantly in the advance, and there's a lot of exciting things that are happening actually, this year and next year. I mean, we're looking and evolving, continuing sort of the skincare. There's always many, we have an opportunity now to develop our own ingredients, and I think that it takes a lot longer. There's a sample of the fact where, we went from 5 to 60 products in 3 months. This would never happen anymore. I mean, the world is much more complicated. You launch global products. There's a lot of regulations and safety tests that you have to perform across the board because they have to adhere to all the policies, and it just takes a lot longer. But there's some, we're continuing sort of, obviously a lot of it is in the face. There's some sort of we're launching a very significant fragrance actually later this year, which sort of means something in the history of our company. I'm not saying it yet, but it's a big deal for us, even though fragrance has always been part of Fresh in a big way. I mean, everything in Fresh products, just so you understand, have an aromatic experience. We call it sensorial experience because there's no unscented products, but the scent comes from the ingredient, so it's not especially perfumed. I think that, everything that you use, you respond to that part first. It's texture, it's smell, and it's not a perfume. It just becomes part of who you are.